The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. General. Article 86. Right of President to address and send messages to Houses. 1. The President may address either House of Parliament or both Houses assembled together, and, for that purpose, require the attendance of members. 2. The President may send messages to either House of Parliament, whether with respect to a bill then pending in Parliament, or otherwise. And a House to which any message is so sent, shall, with all convenient dispatch, consider any matter required by the message to be taken into consideration.